Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Refresher course module 2021-2022 ninth standard science lesson 3 topic light. In this video we are going to know about the answers for the question which is given in the refresher course module 2021 and 2022. Let's go to the question. First one, the spherical mirror with reflecting surface curved outward is dash. Absent convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, and the answer is convex mirror. Second one, the spherical mirror used as rear view mirror in the vehicle is dash. Option concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, and the answer is convex mirror. And third one, the mirror used in solar cooker is dash. Option concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, and the answer is concave mirror. Fourth one, the same size image of an object is seen when the object is placed on dash. The option A is C. C means twice the focal length. C is equal to 2f. Otherwise, it is called as the center of curvature. Otherwise, it is called as the center of curvature. And B at f. This is principal focus or at a distance of focal length. And option C, if the object is placed on infinity, a very long distance, then the answer will be at C. When the object is placed at C, then only we get the same sized image of an object. Then fifth one, the mirror is the mirror used on road where there are sharp curves and turns or dash. Option plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, and the answer is convex mirror. Then next one, kaleidoscope works under the principle of dash. Option regular reflection, irregular reflection, multiple reflection. The answer is multiple reflection. Next, filling the blank. The size of the image formed by convex mirror is always dash than the object, smaller than the object. And next one, the distance between the pole and the principal focus of the spherical mirror is dash. It is nothing but focal length. Answer is focal length. Distance between the pole be the center of the mirror, and distance between the pole and the principal focus of a spherical mirror is known as focal length. Next one, the nature of the image formed in a convex mirror is always virtual image, and some other nature is erect and smaller. So these three are the nature of the image formed by the convex mirror. And next one, the number of images formed by an object when the plane mirror is kept parallel to each other is dash. So the parallel to each other means the angle between them becomes theta. So we get infinity number of images. We get the infinity number of images, because the formula which is used to find the number of images is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. Here theta is nothing but the angle between the two plane mirrors. In this case, these two are kept parallel to each other, so angle between them becomes 0. If we substitute the value of theta in the equation number of image, then 360 by 0 minus 1, anything by 0 becomes infinity, so we get infinity number of images. Then the mirror used by an ophthalmologist to examine the eye is concave mirror. Okay, right. Next one, true or false? Pole is the geometric center of the spherical mirror. Is it true or false? The answer is false, because the pole is the center of the spherical mirror. The geometrical center of the spherical mirror is known as the center of curvature. Okay, the geometrical center of spherical mirror is center of curvature, so the answer is false. Next one, write the formula used to calculate the number of images formed between the two plane mirrors. Number of images, that is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. So we already known, because we discussed it to solve the question which is given in the filling the blanks. So number of images equal to 360 by theta minus 1, where theta is the angle between the mirrors. Okay, next one, write the difference between concave and convex mirror. So first we are going to define what is convex mirror and concave mirror. The convex mirror, the spherical mirror with reflecting surface curved outward, is known as convex mirror. The spherical mirror with reflecting surface curved inward is known as concave mirror. And another one is, in case of convex mirror, the image formed by convex mirror is virtual and erect. At the same time, the image formed by concave mirror is mostly real and inverted. Okay, this is the difference between concave and convex mirror. Next, what are the types of reflection? Reflection on smooth surface, which is also called as specular reflection, and a reflection on rough surface, which is also called as diffuse reflection, and total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. So these three are the types of reflection. And next, define focal length. The distance between pole and the principal focus is known as focal length. The next one, give any two applications of a concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror is used in makeup or saving mirrors, and concave mirrors are used in torches, church lights, and headlights of the vehicle. Convex mirror, it is used in vehicle as rear view mirrors. It is also used on roads where there are sharp curves and turns. Next, state the law of reflection. So first law, the incident ray, reflected ray, and the perpendicular line drawn from the point where the light is incident, these three are lie in the same plane. And second one is, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, next one, define refractive index of the medium. So the refractive index is equal to the velocity of light in air or vacuum divided by velocity of light in medium. So this is the mathematical expression. Now we are going to define the refractive index. So the refractive index of the medium is defined as the ratio between the velocity of light in air or vacuum and the velocity of light in a medium. Okay, next. Take a plane mirror and focus the light coming from the sun on a wall. Can you see the bright spot on the wall? How does it occur? It is because the light rays falling on the mirror are bounced onto the wall, so it produces a bright spot. Can you produce the same bright spot with the help of any other object having a rough surface? So the answer is we can't produce the bright spot by using rough surface, because the reflecting angle of light by the rough surface, that is the light rays are reflected at different angle, so we can't get the bright spot. Next one, list out various convex and concave mirrors used in daily life. Convex mirror, side view mirror or rear view mirror in the two-wheelers and four-wheelers, street light reflectors, and concave mirror, torchlight, makeup or saving mirrors. So these are all the uh, mirrors which is used in our daily life. Okay. Now we saw the answers for the question which is in the topic light. Thank you for watching this video. Soon we will update next video. Until that, take care. Bye bye. See you.